Who says fresh air has to be freezing? Crack a window in winter, whoosh. And your cozy warmth packs its bags and slips right out the door. Meet Nakoair, your sunny sidekick, a solar air heater that warms and ventilates at once, running on 100% free sunshine with a big fat zero on your electric bill. Here's the party trick. Outside air crosses a sun-soaked plate and comes out 5 to 30 degrees warmer. That warm, dry breeze sends the damp, stuffy air packing. Breeze plus a gentle warm hug means, poof. Real dehumidification. And the best part? You get fresh air without losing a single degree of warmth. Your whole home takes a deep, fresh breath in about 2 hours flat. Fresh air, warmth stays. Cabins, garages, greenhouses, storage rooms, CE, Solar Keymark and TUV certified, and it pays for itself in 2 to 3 years. Come say hi in the comments.